Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Snapchat Ads Manager settings for targeting, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Snapchat Ads Manager by navigating to the Snapchat Ads website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Campaigns to view your existing ad campaigns. Select the campaign you want to update by clicking on its name. On the campaign page, look for the Ads tab and click on it. Here, you will see a list of your ad sets. Choose the ad set you wish to edit by clicking on it. Once the ad set is open, find the Targeting section. Click on the Edit button within the Targeting section to make changes. You will see various options for targeting, such as demographic, location, interests, and behaviors. Adjust your demographic targeting by selecting age groups, genders, and languages. If necessary, update your location targeting by specifying regions, countries, or areas. Explore the interests and behaviors targeting options to refine your audience. Select specific interests relevant to your ad content to reach your desired audience. Make sure to review any detailed targeting options available for more precise audience segmentation. Once you have adjusted all settings according to your preferences, confirm the changes. After confirming, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save button to apply the updates. Finally, return to the Campaigns page to ensure your updated ad set reflects the new settings. Your Snapchat Ads Manager settings are now successfully updated for targeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.